In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Google Ads account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect after you confirm the cancellation. I'll also share a few quick tips so you can make a clean, confident exit without surprises. First, head to ads.google.com in your browser and sign in. Make sure you're using the Google account that owns or manages the ads account you're canceling. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check you've selected the correct one so you don't make changes to the wrong profile. Once you're in the Google Ads dashboard, look for the Settings area. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a gear or wrench icon, or a settings label near the top of the page. Click that to open the Settings menu. From there, choose Preferences. This section houses account-level controls and is where Google places options related to your account status. Inside Preferences, find the section labeled Account Status. Open it to reveal the cancellation control. You should see an option to cancel your account here. Google often provides a brief explanation in this area about what canceling does, but in short, canceling stops your ads from running, halts future charges, and marks the account as canceled. Your historical data isn't deleted, and you can usually come back later to reactivate if you change your mind. Click the cancellation option, then follow the prompts to confirm. You may be asked to provide a reason or review a summary of what will happen next. Read that page carefully to understand how billing will be handled. If there's an outstanding balance, Google may process a final charge. If you have a remaining credit, it's typically refunded according to your payment method and local policies. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation. You should receive an on-screen confirmation and, in many cases, an email summarizing the change. A couple of quick tips before you wrap up. If you want a record of your performance, consider downloading key reports and invoices beforehand so you have them for your files. If you're canceling due to performance concerns, pausing campaigns or adjusting targeting can be an alternative. But if you're sure you're done, canceling is the most definitive option. And remember, you can usually reactivate later by returning to the account and restoring its status. That's it. You've canceled your Google Ads account cleanly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and take care.